When disaster strikes your home or business, whether it's water damage, fire, or unexpected flooding, every second matters. Do you know who should be your first call?
Some of the biggest things that we offer to our clients is structural drying, fire damage restoration, and mold remediation, as those are the three biggest issues that an insured would suffer at their property. When looking for a trustworthy mitigation company in our industry, you definitely want to look with one that is fully licensed and insured, has the IICRC certifications, great Google reviews, and has a good reputation in the industry, as that is going to be very important when it comes down to you having to deal with them on the day-to-day basis of helping you at your property. You want a company that also knows your surroundings, knows your areas, knows your local building inspectors, city inspectors, and insurance adjusters that are going to be working with you on the claim on the day-to-day basis.
As a family-run restoration and remediation company, Clean Joe Restoration's first priority is simple: helping homeowners and businesses recover quickly, safely, and effectively.
In 1983, we started as a Joseph's Cleaning. We did clean banks, restaurants, bakeries, hair salons. One day we got a client who called us with a big water damage. So me and Joe, my son, went there and we brought the equipment, we cleaned and dry everything. And since then we knew we want to do restoration business. And that's how Clean Joe Water, Fire, and Mold Restoration was born. We also value the customers as a family because I was brought up that way. We want to treat them just like we wanted to be treated because we do come across people who suffer, they lose everything. So we got to show love, compassion, and tell them you'll be okay. And that's who we are in Clean Joe Water and Fire Restoration.
So what should you do before help arrives? Here are the critical first steps everyone should know.
The reason why you want to call a restoration professional right away after you suffer from water or fire damage, you want to stop the damage at the source and prevent further damage from happening. It also states in your insurance policy that you need to do necessary mitigation to prevent further damage, and that's why we would come in and perform the emergency services.
As soon as we arrive at a new job site, we'll do our initial walkthrough. We'll greet the homeowner or the business owner. We'll make sure they're comfortable, and we'll take our documentation and come up with a game plan for the mitigation process. Once we remove the standing water, we'll bring in our drying equipment, our dehumidifiers, fans, any specialized drying equipment, and we'll start the mitigation process.
So restoration is very important. It's very crucial, especially for different types of properties when you're dealing with water damages, fire damages, or mold remediation. Without treating it or going through the proper procedures to go ahead and mitigate those problems, what you're looking at is secondary issues. You're looking at mold, you're looking at mildew, smells, and wood rot, and so many other things that you definitely want to keep away from your properties. I'd like to look at Clean Joe as a one-stop shop. So if it's even something that we don't do in-house, we're so well connected with so many different subcontractors that we can go ahead and provide some type of service that you may not even necessarily know you need. Things like board ups, electrical services, plumbing services, even things as simple as having keys made up for apartments that we didn't even realize were missing. You know, things like that we can always provide. We're very well connected, so we like to be that one-stop shop for everybody.
Mold should always be handled by a professional remediation company for several reasons. Firstly, we have the training and equipment to handle the mold properly, to not contaminate other areas of the home. And also, we're well equipped to find mold behind surfaces and places that homeowners won't see it. The health risks with mold can be severe. There are certain spores of mold that can be deadly to humans. When remediating mold, it's important that the areas are contained. You're using negative air pressure with HEPA filtration so that when you remove it, it's not going anywhere else. Once you're finished, it's gone completely.
What sets us apart is truly simple. It's our people, our culture, and the belief behind our purpose. We are a family-driven business with a national presence built on reliability, honesty, and long-term relationships. Looking ahead, Clean Joe is focused on delivering a peace of mind, not just emergency response. We're expanding proactive education, client trainings, emergency preparedness to leave our customers and clients better equipped before a loss even happens. Prevention is just as important as restoration. We stop before disaster even happens. That is why we train, educate, and teach our clients how to identify risks early to prevent any secondary damages.
We hope to leave the clients after we're all said and done with the job feeling a little less stressed and like we did our jobs, meaning we respected them and we communicated and walked them through the whole process the entire time. Communication is key, and this is their first time going through this, so we want to make sure that they are educated the whole way through. It's very important. Our name is on the line. We want to make sure that we're communicating and making these clients want to come back, refer us. Nobody wants to call us, but when you do have a problem and you do have a loss, we would like to be the first company that you're calling.
Our mission at Clean Joe is simple yet profound: to be there when our clients need us most. We're committed to delivering exceptional service, exceeding customer expectations, and turning emergencies into opportunities to care and provide solutions.
To learn more about Clean Joe, visit their website, cleanjoe.com, or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.